nhớ rằng ít trong brother cái cho nên sao tu cú yêu là một other video to cái import cái import cái nào okay cái mấy hạt bao ha mấy giờ sẽ sản một import cái lên mong cái chỉ sang thái tôi sẽ thấy mình cái nó okay mấy mong dưới lúc cái paper là chỗ nhà thái những cái cổ phẳng mà you know but you know you waste many time on travel something ha mình dưới lúc cái paper là chỉ mấy số trong gang the good close you know but anyways cũng như mất thẳng lên họ cũng báo nó okay dán từ lúc mà mới cho brother cá bố bên hồ của cái elephant bé sao mà import cái thì bé you know phi mong gang cái lưỡi sự thị giá sản hồng đó bố lấy rồi phi mất lỡ phi tua đó che bé phi giá cái bên là tàu lụt là như chỉ cầu đó so cú sáng lâm khát cho mẹ họ mẹ yêu ơi cha mẹ cha lại ngang tàu cha lại cầu nó okay so thật sự cú chuyện là cái cho nên mà khát cho mẹ rồi thế cũng như món thịt nó cũng như bán má bằng bán nó cho mẹ cũng như other video cho mẹ cũng như tập trung hơn okay cũng như mà upload sẽ xin để bảo lấy chăng mẹ chủ nhân trong thì trái nhá hồng nó mà bố mà lúc lấy rồi lúc scan rồi lúc scan mẹ đó lấy mẹ bố nó thằng mẹ mong tình trái thằng mẹ như chúng nó làm lúc x-ray nữa lấy mẹ cho cùng như chúng có từ lúc x-ray scan nữa so thằng bố mà lúc scan này mẹ ngắt tới nhà như cha sa nè che nó mà lỡ nè bố lúc x-ray mất lỡ về lấy nhà lấy to baby fetus lấy mấy giống này mấy giờ có bố pregnant á mẹ chỉ mua pregnant mẹ mua nhiều mẹ một chỉ x-ray bố mà lỡ về mẹ mắc cancer hay mẹ tụi mình mắc cancer cái mẹ tụi mình nhiều có một tumor rồi có mắc cancer rồi những một tấm mình cho mẹ okay that's why I don't like to go to the airport okay mẹ do research á cái x-ray nó như create radiation á cái that's how you guys get cancer and tumors okay that's why I don't like to go through an x-ray machine or go to the airport okay this is how people get cancer so cho x-ray nó mua to fetus nè lúc cái lỡ nè cho con su sang mi ai nè okay brother that's why mẹ nhắm tới mẹ chỉ bảo mẹ phim cái import thì Thái nè and that's why nó chỉ lâu nè okay that's the number one reason number two reason because mẹ mua khử cho trong lắm cho cái đó need oxygen okay mẹ chủ nhân rõ okay từ lúc cái nó lâu là need oxygen nè it fetus liệt từ thiên nè nhớ lúc cái nó chỉ to nè okay even though need to hatch need to grow đó need to mà incubate đó need to thiên need to fetus thing alive nè cho need to grow nè need alive lúc cái thằng need từ bún để tàu luôn nè cái need alive đó cho need to grow nè okay that's why egg need oxygen okay so in order to prevent that and the reason why all the eggs get fried or GPS because of the x-ray here at the airport okay so in order to prevent that this is what you guys need to do okay dùng lấy của khai khảo sĩ của mấy chân là carbon paper nữa x-ray như scan cho đó vậy mấy dài dính dài cho mấy dài cho carbon paper nữa soกูจะบอกว่า X-ray ตัวปฏิรูปจาก carbon paper นะแต่กูบอกว่า X-ray เนี่ยนี่จอดชิบหัวยังไม่ว่าจาก carbon paper นะจะมันใจยิ่งจะชั่วใจ whatever นะมันคือจะทำให้มัน X-ray จะนี่จอดจะปูลุกนะจะบอกชิบหัว image แต่เสียอย่าถ้าบอกปูนะบอกว่าแต่ไม่ใจจะบอกมันก่อนนะจะไม่มั่นใจให้นะโอเคยังไม่มาคงสุดใจ so เขาเนาะกูบอกนะจะขอถอยไม่จะมองเราบอกให้มึงการยิงโอเปียนนะปุ๊บ ผมงานยิงรู้จะ Black Dragon ที่เราเตตัวที่มีกันนะจะผมคือจังเป็นนั้นน่ะรีบจำลงเจ้านะโอเคยังไม่คือจำลงเจ้านะจะพวก X-ray machine มันหลายหลายอ๋อถ้าลูก X-ray machine มันหลายลูกไกลนะจะนึงสแกนจะนึงสแกนตัวลูกไกลนะจะdefeat ชิตัวนะโอเคสมัย import ยังไม่จุ่มว่าคือจำลงเจ้านะโอเคนี่ถ้ากดตัวลูกไกลฮะหลายตัวลูกไกล okay that's the first step you guys do จะขอ second step ไม่จุจอ silicon gel นะโอเคจะ silicon gel นะมายังผมจอจะขอของไอ้นี่ชั่วโมงผมคือรองชั่วโมง oxygen นะไอ้ก็ถ้าmore moisture นะโอเคเลยอย่างอยู่แต่ color แต่เพิ่มแต่อุตส่าห์ผมว่า wrap 就上了ผมจอ了好个เลยอย่างเลยแต่ beef จะกี่ไปอยู่แล้วแต่หนังfruit จน dry fruit เลยแต่อย่างเป็นนอกนะผมจอ好个你什么 moisture 它去都不它去么毛 OK ก่อนว่า oxygen ส่วนแม่จอเสร็จแล้วก็เจลนะโอเคทำไมมา wrap โอเคไม่ต้องจอเอาไปนั่งนะจะหูดูจอ bubble wrap ไม่จะสิจะ wrap จะ bubble wrap นั่นโอเคก็นี่ไม่ bounce นี่ผมจะ throw around แล้วก็นี่ทัดเตือนโอเค还有ลูกไก่ผมไม่ใช่ shake เห็นแล้วจะนี่จอหลังชานจอบล็อกลูกไก่นี่ snap แล้วจะ to feed the store okay that's why you got to do that use the bubble wrap here to protect the eggs okay and then yeah 好像就没有我找一个 box 或者 suitcase like that okay however you guys want to okay so กูสั่งมา看了จะวิธีhow ไม่有import ไก่to feed it ถ้าจะตัวลูกไก่ให้จะเข้าฮะไม่ให้ protect ลูกไก่ฮะลูกX-ray ให้กดไล่ฮะแต่好นะ okay so ถ้ากูจะ要กูให้มาจะกูที่มอง要放几袋呢不知道กู也不懂行ไก่เอาไปสั่งกูนะจะกูขา不好去我呢也不很干到我这放几袋钱呢不知道这什么干了也不常常他们这些放几不你还知道呢你知道一路单上了呢 okay so 就好样子咯每差不多还没拼好多如果谈了要看message 过我讲จะไปไม่เพียงการที่แท้ๆหรือจะเพียงชิดเรานะ so that's the reason why okay พวก X-ray นะหมดแล้วนะพวกตัวจะ radiation you know thermal radiation frequency laser นะจะมึง scan จะแล้วจะ that's why to feed it สักตัวนะหัวลูกไก่นะ okay so กูรู้มันทางแล้วเนาะข้าก็ไม่ให้ป้าตัวก้าimport ไก่ซะนะ okay你怎么 comment 那就 feel free to comment okay but use code word okay 我真到一讲谁ก็บ่มาเชื่อจังว่าอยาก来ไปใช่เนี่ยเราไม่ใช่เลย